It's like a bullet of fate, and then suddenly I'm wide awake. Fake bliss, our apologies made, was an enemy with no escape. My hands were tied, but now they're mine, to grab onto desire and run away. These will be the years, these will be the years, the lights will all appear. These will be the years.
Thanks for watching, guys. Just like to show you all my recent project. This blue Bible, I put a label on so you can easily find it, find the verse whenever you find the verses. And this one as well, I put Book of John, Book of Ezekiel, put everything there. And this is my very proud project. Just recently, you've seen how I made this one, from old to new, and it's now beautiful. Thanks for watching, guys. Enjoy reading your Bible. Bye.